One of my favorite parts about the journaling process is creating a system that works well for me, because I think until you get a system that works for you and it's something you're excited about, it's not going to be something that you're going to make a part of your everyday life. And a part of that process often becomes an everyday carry. Now, this is the carry that I set up and take with me every single where that I go. I'm using a EDC Pocket Journal system, and I have all the things that I need in here. This is ever evolving and changing based on the needs that I have. So let's take a look really quickly at all the features that I have in my EDC Pocket Notebook everyday carry setup. Main focus is to have a notebook, so I have a pen and a highlighter here. Personally, for me, I prefer just these plain yellow highlighters. I think it's very easy just to find what I need to get to or things that I want to remember. Sometimes, however, though, I will use a plethora of colors, so I can do different like headers, or if I want to bring into different accents, I can change the colors to mean certain things. Sometimes I'll do that, but for my everyday carry, nah. As far as pens, I typically like the Pilot G2 7 gel pens the best, but in this case, I am using the Sharpie pen because I don't know if you can really hear it, but this is metal. Pilot, I think, has their own kind of metal series as well. I just think this holds up a little better than the basic plastic of this, even though I do like the grip better on this, and I feel like this pen fits more naturally in my hand versus this one. I feel like could be a little thicker for my hand. My hand kind of hurts when I use it too much, but it gets the job done for this setup. The next thing I have on the front side of my EDC Pocket Journal is this knife here. And this is just a Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Nothing super fancy. It is fairly sharp, but it does what I need it to do. It's got this little clip on the back. It's pretty lightweight. Honestly, I could get something a little bit more lightweight than this, but for $15 to $20, that's not a bad option. Now on the back, we have a couple objects here. First of all, a ruler, because you can use rulers for pretty much anything, especially when I'm doing my bullet journaling. This is always nice to have. And then the last thing on the outside of my journal setup here is this newest item that I have in my kit, which is a Woobin G5 light. What I like about this light, so you can notice that this clip, I've actually got it turned back here to slide in this way, but you can actually move this clip around. If I just kind of pull it out a little bit, it'll actually slide to 3 different positions. The light itself actually spins to 3 different positions as well. And then you've got a couple options of how you can use the light. Right now I have kind of like this RGB mode, but you could like turn it to a red or a blue, especially if you're like directing traffic for like an event, or if you're just whatever you want to do, whatever your little heart desires, you could do that. But you can also turn this into LED light mode. You can change the colors just by spinning this. If you have a normal LED light, this will actually change the brightness to brighter or darker. This actually is a pretty bright light considering its size. It's pretty lightweight. Obviously, it fits into my little pocket journal here. You can clip it on to a hat. Me as a photographer, typically I have some type of photo bag. It'll clip onto the arm straps of that. So just a lot of neat little use cases if you need a flashlight. Now jumping into my EDC Pocket Journal, what we have inside here, I've just got a few business cards. I've got this pretty decent sized sleeve here that I don't have anything in at the moment, but I could put another notebook over here if I wanted, or quite a bit of different things. I've actually thought about these pockets are big enough that I could probably stick in some credit cards, some cash, my ID, and maybe kind of make this my wallet. I am thinking about reconfiguring that and trying it for a while, but for now, this is how I have it set up. I read a lot of books, and most of the books I read deal with business, marketing, or self-help, so I'm constantly taking notes and using these page markers so I can get back to the notes easily. I carry 2 field notes notebooks inside of here. I'll show you this one first because this is my book notes. So the reason I have those post-it notes is so I can remember what pages to go back to and write these different notes. So this is for Zen and the Martial Arts as well as the Mindful Path. So I'll probably be able to fit about 3 or 4 books in here. Obviously, I'm just writing the highlights, things that really stand out to me, so not the entire book. The last piece that I have here in my kit is a field notes kind of brain dump commonplace notebook that I can just put a variety of different things. So you can see I'll put things and I'll mark them because I need to get to them if they're a task, if it's something that's important that stands out. I'll put in different quotes that make me happy, or meeting notes, or just whatever I need to. There's really no rhyme or reason to anything in this book other than I have it with me. And just to kind of throw in one last little piece, we have gaff tape. But obviously this roll of gaff tape is nearly the size of my notebook, and definitely my notebook isn't going to shut with it. So a little trick that I learned when I was in photo school was if you grab a pencil and you just kind of break off part of this pencil, you can take some of your gaff tape, rip it in half, and then gaff around the pencil. It makes it much smaller, and then you can carry that with you. So if you're a photographer or somebody that needs gaff tape, there's your little DIY hack just kind of thrown in. Now, a couple things I do want to mention here, and I just kind of want to throw it out there because I'm the type of person, I often put myself in a box. So I'm the type of person that would believe that this is the only kind of format for everyday carry. It has to be concealed, it has to be compact, but that's not entirely the case. I saw a video yesterday, a guy used an Altoids 10 box to make an everyday carry setup. That was a really cool one, but it's also something that's not really for me because I'm not trying to get that minimal, tiny setup, because this could be an everyday carry. If I did a lot of traveling and client meetings and I carried an iPad and it could fit in here with my notebooks, my business cards, and my pens and pencils and my phone, my wallet, or whatever else I want to put in here, this would become my everyday carry setup. And actually, when I had a desk job, I was carrying this notebook and this notebook because this one handles kind of more of my long form writing. I can put papers and store things in here that I can't necessarily do in this one. So basically I would leave this one at my main office, and then when I had to go to meetings around town, I would take my smaller one and then just carry everything back and translate it over however I needed to. So don't fall into a trap and think that you have to make this tiny concealed little kit. Literally, an everyday carry is just something that you're carrying with you every single day. The important thing here is just to make it something that's going to work for you and be practical for what you need it for. Do you need a pocket knife? Not necessarily. Do you need a highlighter? Maybe, but not really. I don't know. Do you? Just like with the Post-it note things in here or the business cards, like you may not need all the things that I have, and that is completely fine. Just craft your own system and make it work for you. There'll be links in the description box below for anything that I talked about here today. So if you're interested in any of that, just check out that description box. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know about what your setup looks like, and we'll catch you on the next video. But as always, be sure to create something new today.